In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email in Asana. We'll walk through how to use Asana's email to task feature from inside your workspace so you can quickly turn emails into actionable items without leaving your inbox. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home view. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easy to navigate anywhere you need. From there, click on My Tasks. This is your personal task list in Asana, where everything assigned to you lives. It's the perfect place to centralize follow-ups that originate in email. Next, open the menu next to any task in your list. Depending on your view, this might look like a small caret or three dots. That menu holds a lot of helpful options for managing tasks. Choose the option labeled Add Tasks via Email. This reveals a unique email address generated by Asana for this list, allowing you to create tasks just by sending an email. You don't need to memorize the address, simply copy it and store it safely. A handy tip is to save it in your contacts with a clear name so you can forward emails to it in one tap. When you email that address, the subject line becomes the task name. Keep your subject concise and action-oriented, like Draft Q2 report or follow up with vendor, so it's easy to scan later. The email body becomes the task description. Use it to add context, bullet-like structure, or mini checklists. You can include links, notes, and any details your future self or teammates will need. Clear formatting here saves time when you switch back to Asana. Any attachments you include in the email will be attached to the task in Asana. This is great for screenshots, briefs, or files you want to keep with the task for easy access. Just be mindful of file size and only include what's relevant. If you CC at teammates on that email, Asana automatically adds them as task collaborators. That means they'll receive updates and can chime in with comments. Use CC for anyone who needs visibility. There's no need to add them manually later. Avoid BCC since those addresses won't be recognized for collaboration. After you send the email, go back to My Tasks and refresh to see the new task appear. If it doesn't show up, confirm you use the correct unique address and that you're sending from an email associated with your Asana account. With this flow set up, you can capture work from email instantly, keep context attached, and ensure the right people stay in the loop, all without leaving your inbox.